Do you also struggle with walking? Do your legs sometimes feel so weak that you can't even trust them to hold you up? If you're tired of dealing with weak legs, there is one single food that can instantly make your legs stronger, and today, I'm going to share it with you. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more powerful, science-backed health tips that you won't hear anywhere else, all natural and without medicines. Now let's get started. Have you ever stood up and suddenly felt your legs wobble as though they couldn't quite hold you up? Or maybe you've been walking and suddenly your legs feel like jelly, weak and unreliable? It's a frightening feeling, and sadly, it's something that many people experience, especially as they get older. But what if I told you that there is just one simple food that you could add to your diet right now? Yes, just one that could help stop weak legs almost instantly. Something so powerful, yet often overlooked. Today, we're diving deep into this incredible discovery, backed by science and trusted by experts, that could transform your mobility and give your legs the strength you need to move confidently through life. Now, imagine this. You're out and about, maybe shopping for groceries, or simply walking in the park. And out of nowhere, your legs start to give out. Maybe they start to shake, or you feel this deep sense of weakness in your muscles. You look for a place to sit down and perhaps even start worrying about your health, wondering if it's a sign of something serious. If you've ever felt like this, you're definitely not alone. Thousands of people suffer from weak legs, and often, doctors don't give a satisfying answer beyond vague suggestions like exercise more or take supplements. But the truth is, there is a natural way to give your legs the strength they deserve. And today, we're going to reveal what that is. Before we jump into this miracle food, let's talk for a moment about why legs become weak. You see, our legs are made up of some of the largest and most powerful muscles in the body: the quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, and glutes. But over time, for various reasons, these muscles can lose their strength. It might be due to aging, poor circulation, nerve damage, or simply because of nutritional deficiencies. Yes, nutrition plays a huge role, and that's why what you eat is often the key to fixing this problem. Think about it this way: muscles need fuel to function properly, and when they don't get the right nutrients, they can't do their job. And that's when you start feeling those shaky, weak legs. But what if you could give your muscles exactly what they need, not through expensive supplements, but with one delicious, everyday food? And what if this food also helped improve circulation and nerve health, two of the biggest culprits behind weak legs? So, what is this one food that could stop weak legs almost instantly? You might be surprised, because it's not some exotic superfood. It's something you've probably seen many times, but never realized its power. The food we're talking about: beetroot. Yes, humble, simple beetroot, but don't let its simplicity fool you. Beetroot is an absolute powerhouse when it comes to fighting weak legs. Let me explain. Beets are packed with nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide, a molecule that helps dilate blood vessels and improve blood flow. Why is this important? Because when blood flows better, more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to your muscles, especially the muscles in your legs. And when your muscles get more oxygen and nutrients, they perform better, meaning they get stronger, faster. Several studies have shown that drinking beetroot juice or eating beets can significantly improve muscle function, especially in older adults. But that's not all. Beets are also rich in potassium and magnesium, two minerals that play a crucial role in muscle contraction and nerve signaling. Without enough potassium and magnesium, your muscles can't contract properly, and your nerves can't send the right signals, leading to weakness and even cramps. So by eating beets, you're essentially giving your muscles and nerves a direct infusion of what they need to stay strong and coordinated. Let me share a fascinating study with you. Researchers at the University of Exeter in the UK conducted a study where participants consumed beetroot juice before exercising. The result? Their muscles worked more efficiently, and they were able to walk longer distances without feeling tired. Even more impressive, the effects were noticeable within hours, showing that the benefits of beets can be almost instant. That means, if you eat beets or drink beet juice today, you could start feeling stronger legs today, not weeks or months from now. But here's what makes beets truly special for those struggling with weak legs. They don't just strengthen muscles, they also improve circulation. Poor circulation is a major cause of weak legs, because if your legs aren't getting enough blood flow, they're not getting enough oxygen to work properly. Beets help open up blood vessels, making it easier for blood to flow to your muscles. This is especially important for people with conditions like diabetes, peripheral artery disease, or even those who sit for long periods and suffer from poor circulation in the legs. And there's more. Beets are also high in antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation. Why does this matter? Because inflamed muscles and joints can feel stiff and weak. By reducing inflammation, beets help your muscles move more freely and with greater strength. So now we're talking about a food that improves blood flow, muscle function, nerve signaling, and reduces inflammation, all in one delicious package. You might be thinking, okay, but how much beetroot do I need to eat to see these effects? Great question. The good news is, you don't need to eat a mountain of beets. Studies show that 1 cup of cooked beets or 1 glass of beetroot juice is often enough to see benefits. And because beets are naturally sweet and delicious, you can add them to salads, smoothies, or roast them as a side dish. If drinking beet juice, you might want to start with half a glass to see how your body reacts, as some people need to adjust to the high nitrate content. And here's a little secret. If you combine beets with foods high in vitamin C, like oranges or lemons, you can boost the absorption of the nutrients in beets even more. So, imagine starting your day with a beet and orange smoothie. Not only delicious, but a powerful tonic for your legs. Plus, because beets are also high in fiber, they help keep your digestion healthy, which is an added bonus. Now, some of you might be wondering, is there anyone who shouldn't eat beets? While beets are safe for most people, if you have kidney stones or are prone to them, you might want to consult your doctor before eating large amounts, because beets are high in oxalates, which can contribute to stone formation in some individuals. But for the vast majority, beets are not only safe but incredibly beneficial. Let me tell you about Maria, a 68-year-old woman who had been struggling with weak legs for years. Walking even short distances left her tired, and standing for more than a few minutes made her legs feel like they were going to give out. Her doctor told her to exercise more, but every time she tried, her legs would feel too weak to continue. Then, after learning about beets and how they help muscle and nerve function, she decided to give it a try. She started drinking 1 small glass of beetroot juice every morning. Within just a few days, she noticed a difference. Her legs felt stronger, and she could stand longer without needing to sit. After a month, she was able to take long walks with her friends, something she hadn't done in years. Her secret? Just one food: beetroot. So if you're tired of feeling like your legs are letting you down, why not give beets a try? They are natural, affordable, and backed by science. Imagine waking up and knowing your legs will carry you confidently throughout the day. Imagine walking without fear of falling, climbing stairs without struggling, and standing tall with strength and balance. And remember, this isn't some far-off miracle. You don't need to wait for a new medicine or buy expensive supplements. The solution is already here, in the produce aisle, waiting for you to pick it up. Beetroot, nature's secret weapon against weak legs. So next time you're in the store, grab some beets and give them a try. Roast them, juice them, blend them however you like. Your legs will thank you. And if you found this surprising, you're going to love what we have coming up in future videos. More natural secrets for a healthier, stronger body. all backed by science. So make sure to like this video, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing health discoveries. Because no one should have to live with weak legs and with just one food, you may not have to.